Hi, I'm Allison Burrell, and I'm an applications engineer at Carbon. In this video, I'm going to show a few of the design features in Carbon Design Engine Pro that were developed with manufacturability in mind. And so the first feature I'm going to talk about is trim. So as you can see on my screen here, the gray file is the design space STL that I uploaded, and the green part is the lattice that was generated. And the lattice generates half a strut diameter outside of the design space. And if that is not desired, we can also incorporate the trim feature. And so when I show the trim, you can see that the lattice is trimmed back to the original design space. Another feature that I want to discuss is the apply base feature. So the apply base feature extrudes the bottom of the lattice to create a flat surface to print the part directly on the platform. This greatly helps with printability on Carbon DLS because it eliminates the need for supports. When your lattice is generated, you can simply export the file, download it as an STL, which can be printed on any additive manufacturing technology, but it's particularly well suited for Carbon DLS. And so now you know how the trim and apply base feature can be used in the Carbon Design Engine Pro software.